I'm Paul with Streamlight, and today I'll be showing you the Streamlight BearTrap, a tough, multifunctional rechargeable work light. You can inspect, identify, and repair with hands-free lighting. The BearTrap clamps virtually anywhere and features a magnetic base and stowable hook. The body of the BearTrap also rotates 270 degrees in its frame, making it easy to stand on its own. It illuminates hard-to-reach spaces, like under a dashboard. It also has a strong magnet, so it mounts on smooth, metallic surfaces. Its tough thermoplastic construction withstands most automotive chemicals, and its rubberized grip prevents scratches. The BearTrap features 6 output lighting modes, including 3 spot and 3 flood settings for a range of lumens and runtimes on high, medium, and low. The spot mode provides a white concentrated beam for specific task lighting, while the flood mode fills the work area with soft, bright light. Press and hold the power button for 2 seconds and switch from spot to flood. You can easily toggle between outputs by depressing the push button once, twice, or 3 times respectively. The BearTrap charges with a standard AC charging cord and continues to charge when it's plugged in and in use. The battery charge indicator is located in the light's on-off switch and will turn red when the battery needs to be recharged. For more information on the BearTrap and the entire line of durable products backed by more than 45 years of reliable performance, visit us at Streamlight.com.